What happens when you eat raw garlic every day? Garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties, often referred to as nature's antibiotic. While it's widely used in cooking to enhance flavor, consuming raw garlic daily can have profound effects on your health. Let's dive into what happens when you incorporate raw garlic into your daily routine. 1. Boosted immunity. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that gives it its characteristic smell, and most of its health benefits. Allicin is known for its antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Eating raw garlic daily can help bolster your immune system, making you less susceptible to colds and infections. Scientific note: studies have shown that garlic can reduce the duration of colds by up to 70% in some cases. 2. Improved heart health. Raw garlic is excellent for your cardiovascular system. It helps to lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol levels, increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels. These benefits come from garlic's ability to relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, making it a heart-friendly addition to your diet. 3. Enhanced detoxification. Garlic is rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds that aid in detoxifying the body. It helps the liver eliminate toxins more effectively, reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall well-being. Tip: pair garlic with a glass of warm lemon water in the morning for an added detox boost. 4. Better digestion. Eating raw garlic can improve your digestive health. It stimulates the production of gastric juices, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, garlic has prebiotic properties, promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Several studies suggest that garlic consumption is linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, particularly stomach and colorectal cancers. The sulfur compounds in garlic can inhibit cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, programmed cell death, in malignant cells. 6. Weight management. Garlic may support weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. It also acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you control cravings. 7. Improved skin and hair health. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, garlic can reduce acne and promote clearer skin. Additionally, the sulfur content strengthens hair and stimulates its growth. 8. Potential downsides. While raw garlic offers numerous benefits, eating it daily isn't without potential side effects. Bad breath and body odor. The sulfur compounds in garlic can lead to persistent odors. Digestive discomfort. Some people may experience heartburn, bloating, or diarrhea. Allergic reactions. Rarely, garlic can cause skin rashes or other allergic symptoms. Interaction with medications. Garlic can thin the blood, so those on anticoagulants should consult their doctor before consuming it regularly. How to eat raw garlic daily. Start small. Begin with 1 clove daily and increase gradually to avoid stomach upset. Crush or chop it. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the allicin before consuming. Pair with food. Mix it with honey, lemon, or olive oil to neutralize the pungent taste. Final thoughts. Eating raw garlic every day can transform your health in numerous ways, from strengthening your immune system to promoting heart health. However, moderation is key. Listen to your body, and if you experience adverse effects, adjust your intake or consult a healthcare professional. By adding this humble superfood to your diet, you might find yourself feeling stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. Why not give it a try?